You know, I'll have to echo what Tom said. The FedRAMP process and the thought and care that's gone into that is actually turned out to be something really good. I think a lot of vendors, when that process started, were sort of nervous about it, what it would end up, but it's actually turned out to be very good, very resilient, and actually does set a standard, I think, for around the world. I mean, even in Europe, for example, the governments there have focused very much on data balkanization and data fencing a lot, and not so much on some of the real core security characteristics that FedRAMP has, and they're really trying to up their game there. So that's really great kudos to the team that put that together. Well, one of the interesting things that I see is there's a set of, it's not just cloud computing, but there's a set of emerging technologies that go hand in hand with cloud, and things such as the big data technologies and the mobile technologies, et cetera. And all of those are kind of happening at the same time.
They are.
And they're all very interdependent. I mean, a lot of the large data analysis work going on depends upon just-in-time fungible infrastructure, reusable infrastructure, et cetera. I'll share with you actually something we ran into recently with one of our federal customers. BMC sells a solution that has a very, very rich mobile interface. And therefore it's on Android devices, it's on iPads, iPhones, et cetera. Most of these new mobile devices are massively loaded with sensors. A lot of the new ones have 10+ sensors, accelerometers, GPS device, et cetera. And one of the things that we got back from one of the customers said, look, BMC, your application leverages the geolocation services in the device. We can essentially, we know where someone is and pinpoint on a map, et cetera. And they said, we don't want you to do that. And we said, well, we're just using the basic functions that are in the operating system on the device. Just turn that off. And they said, no, we can turn it off, but we also don't want it in your code. Okay, so very, very, very sensitive to security parameters in certain operating environments, and I think that's a continual kind of learning and evolution process among all of us.